That's Sunday, June 27th, 3 weeks in Greensboro, King of the Ring.
Totally cut this scheduled for one fall, and it is for the World Wrestling Federation Championship. Introducing first the challenger from the Union, weighing in at 500 pounds, the Big Show.
We've had the privilege of seeing a lot of great athletes in this business, but I have never seen one as extraordinary as this 7'2", 500-pounder, who said earlier tonight that he was going to chokeslam The Undertaker straight to hell here tonight on the Warzone. This is going to be for the WWF title. And it don't get no bigger in this business.
And that damn rattlesnake is responsible for this right here.
And his opponent, being accompanied to the ring by Paul Bearer. He is the World Wrestling Federation Champion, The Undertaker.
We saw The Undertaker earlier tonight assault The Rock when The Rock had Triple H in trouble for the cast